Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy or place an order on Amazon. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see I'm on my iPhone and opening up the Amazon app. I find it's easiest in the Amazon app, or you can go to Amazon.com. It's the exact same steps. Now I'm going to walk you through a process of buying, in my case, sponges, because we're almost out of sponges. So I search for sponges here at the very top, and I'm going to scroll down, and ones that we've bought in the past are these Scotch-Brite Zero Scratch. So I'm going to go through the entire process of ordering these. So I'm going to tap on it, and you can see it says we have winter warnings, so it might take longer. But at the very top, you can see 4.7 stars, 64,000 reviews. And if I scroll down, there are a couple different buying options. You can see 6 sponges or 6 sponges with a 2-pack here. And it's a little bit cheaper, but not that much cheaper, still 83 cents per count. And now what's really important here is you can see the delivery. So in my case, I have Amazon Prime. If you don't have Amazon Prime, you usually need to buy about $35 worth of products to get free delivery. But in my case, I have free delivery. You can see free delivery overnight, 7 a.m. This is kind of cut off, but it's 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. So I'm going to choose that. And if I scroll down, you can see one-time purchase, or I can save a little bit if I subscribe and save. This is essentially if I set it up so they'll deliver me sponges every month or 2 months automatically. And then Amazon has other options, Amazon Fresh or Pickup. But in this case, I'm just going to go with the normal purchase. If I scroll down here, another cool option is that you can see the price history. I would recommend doing that because this is built in, especially if this is a bigger purchase. You can see the price history. In this case, for 90 days, hasn't fluctuated that much, but this is really helpful if you're buying like a TV or a Nintendo Switch, if you want to see if it's fluctuated in price. Now, I'm going to scroll down and you can see deliver to Trevor in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm going to choose one quantity. You can choose however many you want. And then I'm going to hit add to cart. However, before we do that, let me scroll down and show you one other thing. Under that, you can see the shipper is Amazon.com. Sometimes there are third-party sellers on Amazon that will ship you something, but it's on Amazon.com. So it's actually sold by a different company. In this case, it is sold by Amazon, and it's a free 30-day refund or replacement. So let's check out and buy these. Let's tap on the little grocery cart icon at the bottom center. And there you can see there are my sponges. I can choose in my cart to delete these or save them for later. But let's hit the proceed to checkout. After you've done that, you can see, all right, it says place an order. I'll walk you through all of these. You can say pay with my Visa, and you can always tap on the change payment method, or if you have never ordered from them in the past, they'll just ask you to enter in a payment method. In my case, I have different credit cards on here, but you can hit add new, and you can add a credit card or debit card, add a personal checking account, or OTC benefits card. So most people would add a debit or credit card. Just enter the card number, expiration date, and your name. Now, after we've done that, we need to make sure that the billing address and the shipping address is correct. So as I scroll down, you'll be able to see it says delivering to. Okay, that's my home address. If you haven't ever set this up, it will ask you to enter in an address, or you could just tap on the change delivery address and then hit add a new address if you wanted to add a new one. Maybe you're shipping it to your friend or your spouse or your brother, somebody like that. You can always just enter in a different delivery address. Now that looks good to me. That is shipping to my address. And then I'm going to scroll down. Now, one of the things they'll get you on is even with Amazon Prime, they'll deliver it overnight if you have enough items in your cart. But you can see I don't have enough just for a $4.97 sponges. So in my case, I could choose to have it delivered tomorrow for $2.99, or I'll just choose on Friday and it's completely free. If I scroll down from here, you'll see at the very bottom, it says place order. Now, when I tap on place order, it will officially place that order and you have bought it. It says, okay, order was placed, shipping to my address, and it will be delivered on Friday. Now, after you've done all that, you can open up your email, and if I swipe down, they will email you that they received that order. Oh, There is my charter email, just a random other email. But let's open up Amazon here. Okay, it says I ordered Scotch-Brite scratch-resistant sponges. If I scroll down, it will arrive on Friday. It's being ordered by Trevor, order number, etc. Now, all you need to do, if you want to get an idea of where this is, you can see it's been ordered, hasn't been shipped yet, not out for delivery or delivered. I can always just tap on that view and edit order, and it will pop directly back into the Amazon app or Amazon.com, and it will give you the status. Once it has shipped, you'll be able to tap on that track package, and it will pop up with your tracking. And in this case, of course, it hasn't shipped yet, so it won't give me more detailed tracking information. Sometimes it's delivered through Amazon. Sometimes they pass it off to UPS or USPS or something like that. So you'll get a tracking number for UPS or USPS to be able to track it on there. Sometimes it's just Amazon actual delivery drivers that are going to deliver it. So depending on your order, you'll be able to see that and track it until it's delivered directly to your house. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.